𝒂𝒑𝒑𝒐𝒊𝒏𝒂𝒂𝒏 फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अवर लाइव शो। जो कि हम बात करते हैं कि हर बार मैं आपसे लाइव कनेक्ट होता हूँ। इट इज़ अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डे टुडे and I'm very glad and elated to be a part of this live because today I'm going to share you the very important day. And as you all know very well about this very important day, like I have seen lot many doctors and all the people, they are celebrating from the morning. It's very important and very precious day, we can say. Like it is on the way, like this. Today is 21st June 2024. We are celebrating this day since last many years, and we have seen the drastic changes in their in the lives of many. Okay, so today is a very like precious day that called International Yoga Day. So it is very important, and it's today we are going to share. I'm going to share you with the very informative and the meaning of yoga and asanas. I think you all know very well about the disease, like the diseases, because you have seen in my YouTube videos. Today, I hope we have to discuss something about the yogas, because today is International Yoga Day. So we need to understand something about yoga. What is yoga? What is yoga? What is pranayam? Because we are doing it. Some people, some patients, my patients, they are doing regularly yoga and pranayam. Now this is the day to understand what's the actual meaning of yoga and pranayam. So I am going to tell you, if somebody who's watching me live right now, if someone knows about yoga and pranayam, so let me know. Like accordingly, I will tell you कि like you are saying correct or not. और अगर नहीं जानते, if you don't know about this thing, so I am going to tell you the exact meaning of yoga and pranayam. So I'm watching you. I'm waiting for you for your answer. Is anybody going to tell me like what is yoga, what is pranayam? कोई है जो बताएगा मुझे कि प्राणायाम और योगा क्या होता है? अगर हैं आप लाइव तो मुझे बताइए। अगर आप सही बताएंगे तो डेफिनेटली मैं आपको उसमें करेक्ट करूंगा, या आप कुछ भी बताएंगे तो मैं बताऊंगा आपको कि क्या होता है प्राणायाम और क्या होता है योगा। मुझे बताइए एग्जैक्टली। तो हो सकता है कि लाइक वट एवर द थिंग्स इन योर माइंड, इफ यू विल टेल मी, एंड मे बी समथिंग न्यू यू विल the meaning and the things you will tell to me, or like we will learn something about from your side, and I will tell my point of view about the yoga and pranayam. So अगर कोई भी है तो मुझे बताइए. I'm ready to hear, I'm ready to listen. जो भी हो मुझे बताइए. If nobody is there, so I'm going to tell you about the yoga. First of all, yoga, as we all know about the yoga means the addition, the union. Okay, yoga word comes from yoga. Okay, so yoga means the addition. The addition means the union. So the union of body, mind and soul, that called yoga. Okay, so body, mind and soul means the combination of these three, like आपकी body, आपकी mind, आपकी बुद्धि और आपकी soul, immortal thing. So the union of these three things called yoga especially. And as we all know, like yoga, it is a very ancient science. It came from Ayurveda. So it is a part of Ayurveda. Yoga comes from Ayurveda. That is clearly mentioned in each and every books, and in Ayurveda also. It is a small part only, and you can see the things like if you are doing it, so you can live your life without any problem for the longer life, without any issues, without any disease. So this is the small part can make some big changes in your life. Okay. I'm just sir, even patient can do yoga and pranayama. Yes, definitely I am going to tell you about these things also. And firstly I am telling about the yoga. Now the thing is the pranayam, which I have asked to everybody, but nobody has given me the answer. So I'm telling you the exact meaning of pranayam. Pranayam means like you are giving the proper observation or the focus on your breathing cycle. Okay, that's called in Hindi you can say अपने प्राणों को आयाम देना, that means अपनी जो प्राण वायु है उनको आयाम देना, that called pranayam. Okay, so this is the meaning of yoga and pranayam. Hopefully you will understand. If I'm not mistaken, you can also correct me, because what I have observed, what I have read in my books, in my Ayurveda, so that those things I have shared to you. And it is a very very ancient science, which is it is a very precious gift given by the Almighty in the form of Ayurveda, and from Ayurveda the yoga comes. So this is the thing, and it is a harmony between human and the nature. Yoga especially calls nature thing, natural things. So जो आपके नेचर में है, you are just connecting to each other. Because जब भी आप योगा और प्राणायाम की बात करते हैं तो स्पेशली आप you are connecting to the nature. दिस इज अ नॉर्मल थिंग. और अब हम इसके बारे में अगर आगे बात करें लाइक प्राणायाम और योगा के बारे में, सो योगा एक हमारे आयुर्वेद का एक ऐसा साइंस है जहां से वी कैन रिजॉल्व ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स, all the multiple things without any tablets or without any medicines, without any injections. So we can resolve it, because I have seen in my, because why yoga and pranayam is important for all of us. Now I am going to tell you about those things also. Okay, so yoga and pranayam is it plays very important role in your healthy lifestyle. Because in my OPDs I have seen, and I am watching, I am consulting every day with the patient in the age of like 25 to 35. It is very unfortunate things I am going to tell you, that the youth which is badly affected with the multiple diseases, it is surrounded with the diseases. So like this thing, it is not happening in earlier days, but nowadays it is very common, because the youth is suffering with the normal multiple issues like joint disorders, like arthritis, like avascular necrosis, like multiple things and so on. So this is the thing which I am saying in my OPDs, and what I have observed, it is a very very unfortunate thing. And one thing I have observed in the consultation, when I'm asking to the patient their past history, so one thing is missing in each and every patient in the age of 25 or 35 or 45. Why they are suffering with the disease? This is a very very like minute, or in a very subtle way we need to understand. This is like why they are suffering with the disease. And one thing is missing in the entire past history, like the pranayam and the yoga, because they are doing exercises, they are going for gym, they are doing all, they are lifting the heavy weight and all, but they are not performing, they are not doing yoga and pranayam. And you have seen the patients like youth, जो अगर कोई भी होता है तो उसमें I have seen like they are suffering with anxiety, they are suffering with depression, they are suffering with multiple mental disorders, like emotional factors. They are affected with emotions also. They are not ready to accept the things. So why it is happened to such people? Why it is very common to the youth? Just because of this thing, which is not, because I have said to you now, that is a harmony between human and nature. It is a combination, it is a union of body, mind and soul. So अब अगर हम यहाँ पे we will understand about all the segments, all the factors, which is very very important. So youth which is very prone to disease right now, and the practicing yoga, why it is important, it will fulfill your all the things which is like, which you are affecting with, which mental factors you are affecting, the anxiety which you are affecting with the regular days. So you can also resolve all these things through yoga. Okay, like I have seen the mental pressure. I have seen like lot many patients, they are coming with the depression, they are coming with the multiple problems, and they are not ready to accept those things. So it's like they are suffering with the anxiety. Regular days they are not focusing on their life goals and their future also, just because of that disease only. So they are not mentally strong, they are not ready to accept the things. This is the only reason behind this. So through yoga you can, if you are going to participate in yoga na, so definitely you will get the results in these all these segments which you are facing it. And if you are going to do it from here from today, so definitely you will see the changes within a 1 month. If you are going to do like 5 to 10 minutes when you are going to close your eyes, so if you are going 5 minutes or 10 minutes only, so you will realize ki like you will get the positive, you will get the positive energy, you will get the vitality in your body. Okay, when you open your eyes now, so you will see the changes, like you will feel positive, you will feel very energetic. So why it happens? Just because you are giving 10 minutes, you are giving 10 minutes or 15 minutes to yourself only, to meditate, to to practice yoga, to practice pranayama. So this is the thing only. And to practice yoga and pranayama, that you can also self management, you can also self like get managed by yourself without any like extra things. If it is putting a pressure on your body, on your mind, so you can easily practice yourself and you can self manage with those things, the challenges, the regular things which you are going to face. So this is a very important day. I think we all need to celebrate. And I have seen multiple, in my Instagram social handles, like everybody is sharing the pictures and videos of International Yoga Day. They are doing it and they are going to celebrate from today. But it is not a day, not a single day to celebrate. If you are dedicatedly doing all these things, so definitely you are going to change your life, you are going to change your body language, you are going to change your future also, like with free disease free future. If you don't want to interact or intact with the diseases or incline with the diseases in future, so I think this is the correct day to start yoga and pranayama. So for that only I'm going to tell you, I'm going to reveal out to everybody, because आज के दिन it's a very very precious day. So I hope like something I'm giving to all of you, to my viewers, to my patients also. So from today itself, like I'm going to teach you, I'm going to the things I'm performing the yoga and pranayama asanas, like the exact way to perform the pranayam, the asanas and yogasanas. So you can see in my YouTube videos, you will see the benefits, you will see the change, you will see the exact way of performing yoga and pranayam. And I'm going to tell you, I'm going to share the things in a short form, in a short videos. So all the people who was very very interested to perform the yoga the correct way, so you can see, you can join my YouTube channel, or you can subscribe it right now, so to get the notification in your phone. So this is the way. And the finally and the last but not the least, yoga is a way of living your life into its full potential. I think it is a very very normal or common line. Hopefully you will understand. And one more thing I want to tell you, if you are doing yoga and pranayam regularly, so one line which is very very common, and everybody have already listened this line, I hope so, like this is, the prevention is better than cure. Why it is very very important? Because if you are going to focus on the things like the proper way, and if you are changing your routine and you are following the pranayam and yogas, so obviously your disease it will not increase, because you are doing regular work on that part. Okay, so if you are suffering with any type of disorders, like joint disorders, like arthritis, like even like any cardiac problem, like asthma, respiratory disease, neurological disorders, so pranayam is very very important, and it plays very important roles. That's why if you want to get rid of any type of disorders, or if you want to stop any disease, so pranayam, like prevention is better than cure. So if you are a healthy person, you don't have any issues, so even also in that situation also you have to do regular pranayam and exercises and yogasana to live your life disease free. Okay, so this is very very days. I think almost all the people, they have connected to me, and they have listened this interactive day. They have listened all the things what I have said, what I have said to everybody. तो आप सब लोग इस डे को बहुत अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट करिए with एक इनिशिएटिव के साथ में यू हैव टू टेक अ इनिशिएटिव फ्रॉम टुडे, लाइक फ्रॉम टुडे इटसेल्फ वी आर गोइंग टू फॉलो द प्राणायाम एंड आसनास फॉर द लॉन्गर लाइफ, फॉर द फ्यूचर। और अगर आप रेगुलरली करते हैं तो डेफिनेटली आप यकीन मानेंगे बिल्कुल आपको अच्छे रिजल्ट्स देखने को मिलेंगे उससे। सो आप सब लोग जितने भी लोग इस लाइव में कनेक्टेड थे, एंड कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं, आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग इट हियर राइट नाउ, जस्ट जो एक दो मुझे लगे जो इंपॉर्टेंट है मुझे बताना चाहिए आप लोगों को, तो मैं बिल्कुल आप सबको बताना चाहता हूँ कि जो प्राणायाम है इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। एंड आज से हम लोग या अभी से कल से आपको उनकी नोटिफिकेशन कुछ आसन और प्राणायाम के को करके उसके बेनिफिट, उसके क्या रिजल्ट हैं, वो कैसे आपकी बॉडी में, कैसे आपके जॉइंट प्रॉब्लम्स में आपको रिलैक्स करेगा, कैसे उसके रिजल्ट मिलेंगे, वो सब हम आपको बताएंगे। और उसके वीडियोज़ आप शॉर्ट फॉर्म में मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पर देखेंगे बहुत जल्द। तो आज का लाइव, आज का इम्पॉर्टेंट डे, मुझे लगा कि आपको कुछ ऐसे बताना चाहिए और आप तक मैं पहुंच पाऊं, जिसके लिए मैं आज लाइव था। और आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बिकॉज यू हैव जॉइंड दिस लाइव सेशन एंड यू मेक इट all that. I think all the comments are like regularly you have asked me, and I have already given the answer in my last session also. So you can also see my live question and session to get the answer whatever you have asked to me. Okay, so thank you so much everybody for joining me live, and happy International Yoga Day to everybody. Thank you. Namaste.